Bleeding Christmas tree lights. You can never find the bloody bulb that's gone. Cheap Chinese rubbish. Reminds me of a toilet seat we bought, love. You know, the one off the car boot for a fiver. The one where the screws keep coming loose, so every time you sit on it, it wobbles about. Like taking a dump on a helter-skelter. Anyway, never mind. We're not here for that. We're here 'cause it's Christmas. And there's only one thing you can do with broken Christmas tree bulbs. And that's slap them in the microwave. I'd just like to wish all my friends on the UK Pyrotechnic forums a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All my subscribers and friends on YouTube, the same again. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And all the chaps on the Mad Modder forums as well. And all the people in the real world I know as well, like Neil. But you won't get this Neil till you come back from Thailand. Hope you're having a good time in Thailand with ting tong and ping pong. Hope you are. Anyway, without further ado, take it away, Mr. Sparkle. That's better. Right, I have to go now. Happy New Year!